Today, we're going to show you how to replace your windshield clips on the 2021 styled Landmaster UTV. First, take the butt of a hammer and carefully pound down the clip on the back side of the windshield. Repeat this step to the other side. Next, peel back the clamps on each side of the windshield. This should allow the windshield to come off easily. Next, take off the black clips on each side of the windshield. Put your new clips on in between the grooves of the windshield. Press the clips into the overhead bars, starting at the top and then pushing in the bottom. Before putting the backside clips on, make sure your windshield is aligned straight and almost touching the roof line. Once it is aligned, snap on the very end of the clip on the backside and slide it down as far as you can. If it gets stuck, take the butt of your hammer and slowly pound it down into place. Repeat this step for both sides. This completes this installation. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for owning a Landmaster UTV.